Hello, Teacher Edwin and EA classmates. My name is Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo. For the development at this task for oral production, script number 5 was chosen. Question: why do you think our company should hire you specifically among our pool of candidates? Sure, I think one skill set I have involves my background in education. Teachers are among the highest stressed professionals in the workplace, and this company offers a number of products that help alleviate stress by getting people outdoors, and teachers have a lot of downtime in the summers. My thinking is that once they learn the ropes and advance with the company, it'll be able to market the service and products this company offers. Thanks for you watching my video. Thank you for your attention and comments. I say goodbye, teacher and classmates.